Your next car could be the 2020 Land Rover Range Rover Evoque. With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Enjoy a closer look at this stylish Land Rover Range Rover Evoque, the subcompact luxury SUV with all-weather capability, lively performance, and undeniable high-end panache. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, keyless entry, heated mirrors, power passenger seat, fog lamps, aluminum wheels, dual zone AC, power driver seat, tire pressure monitoring system. Substance meets tasteful style in this upscale Range Rover Evoque. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.